Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your Pocket. And OpenAI has released a bomb of a version of GPT, that is GPT 5.6 Soul, the next generation model, and surprisingly, it is able to beat out Claude Mythos also on certain benchmarks. We are beginning a limited preview of GPT 5.6 series, a new model in GPT series, Soul, our flagship model, Terra, a balanced model for everyday work, and Luna, a fast and affordable model. Terra has competitive performance to GPT 5.5 while being 2 cross cheaper. And Luna brings strong capabilities at our lowest cost. I think after a long break, OpenAI has released something, and this looks to be quite good. I think they are waiting to break down my thoughts, and I think certainly they have. As you can see, Terminal Bench 2.1, GPT 5.6 Soul Ultra, 5.6 Soul, and my are able to beat out my thoughts. Terra is behind it, and Luna is followed by GPT 5.5, but cheapest. As you can see, in terms of cost, also they have shown that the models are quite costly. 5.6 Soul especially. Exploit bench is also there. Exploit gym is also there. Strong cyber capabilities with stronger safeguards. I think it's very, very similar to what Claude Mythos boasted about. We developed GPT 5.6 Sol, Terra, and Luna with our most robust safeguards to date, with configuration matched to each model's capabilities. As the model becomes more capable, we design safeguards to increasingly hold up to real world adversarial pressure while preserving access to legitimate work. 5.6 Soul is better at helping people find and fix vulnerabilities and reliable carrying out end-to-end attacks. 500 does not cross the cyber critical threshold under our preparedness framework. And to be honest, to be surprisingly, US government is approving who would use GPT 5.6, very similar to what they done with Claude Mythos and Fable. A layered safeguard attack. No single safeguard is sufficient against determined or adaptive misuse. Across GPT 5.6 preview, we use layered safeguards. 5.6 is trained to refuse prohibited cyber assistance, including when users attempt to disguise their intent or jailbreak the model. Improving robustness with automated red teaming. Availability in pricing as mentioned. So, my friends, as the title suggested, how to use GPT 5.6. You can't use it, as you can see. GPT 5.6 models will initially be available through API and codecs to selected group of trusted partners and organizations. This is very, very similar to what happened to Claude Mythos also. So it is not available for a common audience yet. During the preview, GPT 5.6 will be initially available to API and codecs to selected group of people. We plan to make it available more broadly available to people using GPT, codecs, and APIs soon. They have mentioned this the pricing looks quite costly here, as you can see, $5 input, $30 output. This is lesser compared to Fable and Mythos, which was $50. Terra is $2.5 input, $15 output. Luna is $1 input, $6 output. We are also using 5.6 Sol on Cerberus and up to 750 tokens per second. So unfortunately, you can't use the model yet. They have just given an announcement. But yeah, I think soon they would be releasing the model. This is under US government governance right now. After the Cloud Mythos debacle, according to the US government, they feel it will be very, very strong. They don't want to play anything with GPT 5.6 series also, and they're keeping it under their hood. So for now, it is not available for the common audience, but soon I think OpenAI would be able to make it available to everyone. With this, it's a wrap. These are the details about the model, and for using it, you might need to wait some time. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.